In the realm of real estate, prospecting for leads is not just a task, it's the lifeblood that keeps your business thriving. Strategic prospecting is the key to success. It acts as a catalyst that will fill your funnel with potential clients. The simple equation here is clear. More leads equal more opportunities for nurturing, ultimately leading to a successful lead conversion. So think of prospecting as this proactive engine that propels your business forward. It's not just about finding leads, it's about finding the right leads, the ones that align with your expertise and can benefit from your unique value proposition. A well thought out prospecting strategy ensures that your efforts are focused and yield the best possible results. As you embark on your prospecting journey, keep in mind that this is not a one-size-fits-all approach. You've got to tailor your methods, your strengths, whether that's through networking, social media, community engagement, or other avenues. So the art of prospecting lies in creating meaningful connections and identifying those individuals who could potentially become your valued clients. So remember that in the world of real estate, your success is deeply tied to the quality and quantity of leads in your pipeline. So embrace prospecting as the cornerstone of your business and watch as it shapes the path to your real estate enterprise. Here are my top prospecting ideas for you to use as an agent. And if you want specific information on any of these ideas, schedule a business chat with me. The link is in the description. So number one is paid online ads like street text. You could do buyer, seller, and remarketing ads. 2, prospecting letters, postcards for renters, buyers, and sellers. I use Canva and Mailbox Power for these. 3, open house events utilizing my winning strategy. Number 4 is seminars for buyers, potential sellers, and even current renters. Agent property previews are huge to promote on social media platforms. The next is video content, educational how-to type of videos. And then customize and sharpen your customized email campaigns in your CRM. Obtain those advanced designations like seller representative specialist or certified real estate negotiator or even accredited buyer specialist. Some others include social media content, flyers, mailers, door knocking, handwriting letters to past clients, networking events. And as mentioned before, schedule a time with me to dive deeper in any of these prospecting ideas. The link is in the description. Talk to you soon.